It is Wind Down Wednesday. Thanks to the Sarasota Manatee Originals. We are in our Rice's Appliance kitchen with Chef Seth, one of the originals, at Beach House Waterfront Restaurant. Great to see you.
Yeah, thanks for having me. And say Chef Seth 3 times fast.
You know what? I said it very
don't do that.
slowly.
We've been drinking.
Yeah, I was going to say, put in a glass of wine. I don't want to say anything.
I've been watching.
Let's get started. This is a beautiful piece of fish. What kind is it?
Yeah, we have a hogfish here, so it's very mild flavor, very firm as well, and it's also very sustainable
I was just going to say, let's make sure everybody understands that you are doing a great thing by serving hogfish.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So to start off, we're going to make a hogfish with a crab stuffing, and then I just want to show how to make rice from scratch, basically.
Let's do it.
Glad to help.
All right, so the first step is we're going to wash our rice. So when you wash the rice, you really want to do it 3 times. You want to remove a lot of that starch and dust that comes off it. So this is just an example of what it looks like, what it should not look like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
No.
So if you don't wash your rice, you end up with gunk.
Gunk, right.
Okay, got it.
Yep. And so then what you're going to do, you're going to add your rice, and then when you add your rice, you're going to use your finger. You know, this cost me $30,000 in education, but I'm going to give it to you for free, okay? So you're going to use the first line of your finger, and then you're just going to kind of go up to just where the rice touches. Yeah, there you go.
So no matter how much rice you have, you just need that much over the top.
You need a fingertip of water.
Yeah, 100%. Yep.
We're good.
And the CIA taught you that, didn't it? Culinary
the other one.
The other one.
Johnson Wales. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no worries. And then we'll then the rice and water goes in, set it to medium, let it go for about 10 minutes. And then what I like you to do is if you could just add the rice to the bowl.
Okay.
And then we have forks right next door. So
you hold it. Dump it in.
A little butter. There you go. Teamwork.
We got this.
Yeah, a little butter will actually add a little, fat as flavor, so we have that going on too. And then we'll also add.
Don't touch it. It's hot.
No, I got it.
Okay.
Teamwork. And there you go. And then we'll add a little more salt. So you guys take care of that. Then over here we're gonna make the crab filling. That's cool. And then so basically we have snow crab,
which smells amazing.
some peppers.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yep.
I'm gonna do a little bit more of this.
Yeah, just a tad. There you go. And then some scallions and parsley as well. And then we're gonna.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Then we're gonna microplane some lemon in there too.
Should I put some of this in?
Yeah, so what we have is some Seminole squash, which is from one of our local farms, Gamble Creek Farms.
Is it just blanched or roasted?
Put all this in?
Yeah, put all that in.
Okay.
We saute that off first with just a little salt and pepper.
All right, Chef, let's analyze this. You're standing there and the 4 of us are working. This is impressive.
Relaxation through delegation, so I love this, right? So you guys get
a little sprinkle.
A little pinch, and since we're entering the fall, we're gonna add some little fall spices in there, so cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice.
I probably needed to give it a little zhuzh.
Yeah, there we go. And then now
Watch the whole thing go in.
Now for our hogfish, right? We're gonna just add a little oil, right?
Yep.
I don't know about you guys. I like to eat both sides of my fish, so we're gonna season both sides, right?
Oh, yes.
We just don't do one, and then we'll add a little.
This is amazing.
Peppers.
This is amazing.
We can just eat this without being stuffed.
Right, we can just take a piece of, like some crackers and have that.
Exactly. So if you make enough, you got enough for leftovers. So go ahead and add a little of the crab, just kind of right in the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
Please tell me this is on your menu.
Yes, it is.
Okay,
It's actually one of our features, but it'll make it to our fall menu.
Okay, good.
Pretty soon,
This you need to come for this.
That's
just from the
cool.
crab alone.
Awesome. So now from there, you can let this sit in your refrigerator, while you go to work or something, or you can just throw it straight in the oven. So through the magic of TV, we already have one ready to
Big fan of this. But only it went that well at home.
Yeah,
so how long did you bake it? Because you didn't need to saute it, right?
Yeah, no, we don't even have to saute it.
Okay.
It's about 375, 400 for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah,
beautiful.
and that's it.
What a great dish.
So what we're gonna do, if you want to take, perfect.
Our rice looks good, you have to admit.
Did you taste?
No, we didn't taste it.
We didn't. We're going to wait for the whole
tasting
thing.
this.
Okay, yeah,
All
go
right,
ahead.
I'll go in.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it tastes like fall.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I love that.
So what is this? What is this? Because that is really delightful.
It's just a little cinnamon, cardamom, and
I smell the
allspice.
cardamom.
That's what it is. I couldn't
you
figure
can
it
smell
out.
the cardamom. So a little bit of a pumpkin pie feel.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna put that on the plate.
Smell the fall. What a wonderful way to make Florida feel fall, right? Because it's a light meal with fish and crab and just a little bit of a spice, but it kind of envelops that fall feeling.
Yeah,
Exactly, yeah.
excellent. I love it.
Perfect.
Wow, with a view of the Gulf
right.
and your toes in the sand. This is what the Beach House is all about. One of our very favorite views on the Sun Coast, and certainly some amazing menu items as well. Go out to Bradenton Beach and check it out, beachhousedining.com. And by the way, that cute little gift shop in front.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hard,
Definitely
hard to walk through without buying something when you're
Just
there.
happen to have a t-shirt.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, thank you, Chef. So wonderful. Hope you enjoyed Wind Down Wednesday. We'll be right back.